Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please leave your thumbs up, leave your comments, please subscribe to this channel, and please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, the winner of this past week's contest did get in touch with me, and her check goes out in the mail this morning. Remember, we have contests every Sunday, but it's only for subscribers. So please, if you're not subscribed and you see this video, please subscribe. You have a chance of winning money every week. Y'all, check out the links in the description box below. It's to my website, my course, everything down there. And please check it out. It might be something down there you want. Did y'all see the late night with Walter Weyburn last night at 10 p.m.? If you didn't, please go back and watch it. I can't link it to the end of this one, but please go back and watch it. It was last night at 10 p.m. and every night at 10 p.m. Please check those shows out. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all, we still don't have a stimulus deal. Wow. Is anyone surprised? I don't think no one was really believing that we would have one. I don't think nobody expected it. By Nancy's deadline, anyway. I do believe we will get a stimulus deal, but her setting a deadline is just ridiculous. But she did say the two biggest things now that she's not getting her way on is state and local funding. And that's just about the amount and the wording. The other thing is liability protection in the workplace. Y'all, as far as the workplace safety, I can definitely understand that because I worked in a lot of restaurants and it is close quarters. But yesterday morning, Amy and me went to Denny's and had coffee. Well, the guy that was actually cleaning the tables, mopping the floors, their cleaning person, was not wearing a mask at all. Now, if he has COVID, he can be giving it to all of his co-workers and to the customers, and he just don't care. It also looks like his employer don't care. But if we get liability protections in the workplace, they will care. They will be held accountable. Y'all, we can only get past this whole COVID thing if we do the right things. It's up to us to get past the COVID thing. Our government can't wave a magic wand and it will be gone overnight. If they could, I'm sure they would have already done it. So it's up to us to wear a mask and social distance. If we do that, we can get past this real fast. But I hate to sound this way, y'all, but it really looks like the mass of people don't want to get past it for some reason, or else they would wear their mask. Miss Nancy also talked about they don't want to do anything on the elections or on the census. She said we may have to live and fight another day on that. It sounds like she could be backing down on some of her many demands, because she did say we may have to live and fight another day on that. Nancy went on to say that nobody will like everything that's in the package. This is true. Nobody will like everything on the package. It's called give and take. So why does she think she has to get her way about everything? She has to be happy with every article that's in the package. Remember, she keeps saying nothing is better than some. She wants all or nothing. But then she says nobody will like everything in the package. Don't that go for her also? Now Nancy is saying it's not the amount of money, it's how the money is being spent. Will she ever make up her bloody mind what she wants? If this is true, why has she been demanding all of these big numbers all along that she knows she can't get? Why, Nancy? Why? Now she's also saying we need all the negotiation and the wording done by the end of the week. And by the end of next week to get it voted on so Trump can sign it. Really? What about her 48-hour deadline? Was that just a negotiation tactic? I mean, if we reached a deadline, why is she now saying we need this done by the end of the week, we need this done by the end of next week in order to get a deal? This lady does not know what she's talking about. Then she goes on to say she wanted all of this done in time for people to pay their rent. Really, Nancy? Now you're worried about people paying their rent? What about 6 months ago when they couldn't pay their rent? And every month up till now. Now you're going to worry about it? Come on, get real. You're not worried about nothing. The only thing you're worried about is getting President Trump out of office. Now I want to talk about consumer protection. Y'all, this is just my opinion. Protection in the workplace, that will be an easy thing to get passed. All you got to do is mandate the laws. Consumer protection is going to be very difficult. Because right now, if they get consumer protection, they're saying that if I go in a restaurant and I get COVID, I can sue that restaurant. Okay. In a day's time, you go to 4 or 5 different places. And you go to that restaurant that you're going to accuse. How do you know for certain that you got COVID in that restaurant when you went to 4 or 5 different places that day? And also, it takes it a little while to show up. So, if I go 4 or 5 different places Monday, then I go 4 or 5 different places Tuesday, and then Wednesday, how do I know where and when I got COVID? This makes no sense. How can you have consumer protection and make it right? There's no way to trace it back to I got it here. There's no way, unless that's the only place you've went in the past 2 weeks. Then you could say it, but how many people only goes to one place in 2 weeks? Come on. So this consumer protection will never happen. And if it does, it's going to be a lot of innocent business owners paying the price for something they're not responsible for. It's going to put a lot of businesses out of business. You can't have consumer protection. It does not work. You can have workplace protection and you can make masks mandated. But you can't say, I got it here for definitely. You can't say that. The best thing they could do is mandate masks and start arresting people that don't wear a mask. That's the only way we're going to get past this thing. Another thing they could do is just if you come down with COVID. You can't sue a company because you don't know you got it there. If you got health insurance, your health insurance will have to pay the price. It's just my opinion. I know everybody's got one. Y'all, please go watch the last night's video, Late Night with Walter Weyburn. It was recorded at 10 p.m. last night. Also, go check out my cooking channel, Chef Walter Weyburn Cooking Show, and check out my links in the description box below. If you want stun guns, pepper sprays, or tactical knives, now's the time to get them. And I'm also going to tell you, also on the knives, the stun guns, and the pepper spray, the 1st of December, I'm going to quit taking orders on the 1st of December until the 1st of January. This way, I know I will be getting a lot of orders for Christmas. This way I can make sure I get all the orders out in time for Christmas. So if you want them for Christmas gifts, you're going to have to get them prior to December 1st, because on December the 1st, I'm going to turn that website off, and I won't turn it back on until January 1st. I hope y'all understand. I just want to get everything out in time. Y'all, I love you all. Please watch the video that's popping up here now. Please subscribe to this channel. Leave your thumbs up and leave your comments. And just know I love you all, and Jesus Christ will get us through this whole ordeal. I have faith in him. I hope you do too. Say a prayer for our country, our leaders, everyone that's struck with COVID, everyone that's hurting in any way. Say a prayer for them. I love you all. Ciao.